Welcome back to Decor Insider. Today we are going to explore smart hacks and space-saving ideas for small gardens in 2025. If you have a small yard, a tiny patio, or even just a balcony, don't worry, because with the right tricks, you can make your outdoor space look stylish, functional, and even luxurious. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest home and garden design inspirations. Vertical gardening hack. One of the best ways to save space in a small garden is vertical gardening. Use wall planters, hanging pots, or even wooden pallets to grow herbs, flowers, or vegetables. In 2025, modular vertical planters are trending. They are easy to install, customizable, and perfect for balconies. You can also try a living green wall with a mix of colorful plants. It works as a natural decoration and improves air quality. Container gardening ideas. Containers are perfect for small gardens. Use pots of different sizes and materials, ceramic, wood, or even recycled metal bucket. Try the layering technique. Place taller plants in the back, medium plants in the middle, and small flowers in front. You can even add wheeled planters so you can move them around and redesign your garden anytime. Creative lighting for small spaces. Good lighting makes a small garden feel larger and more inviting. In 2025, solar-powered LED lights are popular and energy efficient. String fairy lights, lanterns, or ground spotlights can create a magical atmosphere. If you love cozy vibes, try adding warm-toned lights around seating areas or walkways. Section 5. Illusion of space. Use design tricks to make your garden look bigger. Mirrors on fences or walls reflect greenery and give the illusion of a larger yard. Stick to light-colored furniture and decor because darker shades make small spaces feel crowded. Curved pathways or diagonal stone patterns can also visually expand the space. Functional zones in a small garden. Even a tiny garden can have zones if planned wisely. Create a mini dining corner, a small reading nook, or a herb-growing section. Using low planters as dividers helps separate areas without making the space feel smaller. Low-maintenance plants for small gardens. To keep your garden easy and enjoyable, choose low-maintenance plants like succulents, ferns, and dwarf shrubs. For vertical gardens, herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary grow well and are practical for cooking. In 2025, dwarf fruit trees in pots are a hot trend. They bring both greenery and fresh fruits to tiny spaces.